Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will be well, friend. So friends, today we will solve the hacker rank problem. Okay, so for which one? This one is the pattern cracker, right? So what will be the ask in the problem statement? So each and every point we will solve it, right? Now let's move on the start solve challenges. Okay, so read question is telling using the regex. Regex means the regular expression. We can easily match or search for a pattern in a text. It means some pattern it will be the page inside the text, right? Before searching for a pattern, we have a specify one using some well-defined syntax. In this problem you are given a pattern, right? You have already given a pattern, right? You have to check the whether the syntax of the given pattern is valid. It means those one syntax it will be given, and those one is the syntax is the pattern is the correct or not, right? Read the note inside the this is a problem. In this problem, a regex is only valid if can compile it using the pattern compile method, right? If I will compile this one the text with the compile method, so after then it will decide the uh, that one text is the valid or not. Now let's move on the next, and we will see the sample test cases. So here the taking the three, it means three test cases, right? And here the three examples, right? So it's very easily to identify it. So you can see here the square bracket is started, and here the square bracket close, right? Here is the parenthesis is started, and here parenthesis close, right? But and also here is the open and here is close. But you can see here the in the second one is the here is the close and here is open, right? And here is the square bracket started and here is close. But this one is a square bracket started, but this one is the not provided anywhere. It means closes not. So this one is the invalid. And inside the also if there it will be a close parenthesis, so it will be the valid, but this one it will be the not valid, right? Now let's move on the next, and we'll write the code. Okay, so I'm going to write you can see here the it's already taken the test cases. Here it will be the come 3, and here it will be the pattern, it will be the one by one. This one the string it will be the come here, and we will apply the right. And I will see you one thing, friends. Visit this one the link, right? So you can see here the uh, pattern compile method, right? Pattern compile method compile the gives a regular expression in the pattern, right? Parameters regex, right? A regular expression, this is to be compiled, right? If it will be it also throw the exception pattern syntax exception, right? If the exception is syntax is invalid, it's when when compile method it will be work, and if syntax it will be not valid, right? So that time this one it that time this one it will be exception it will be occur, right? So we should be the write the exception also, right? So we will write the problem our the code inside the try and catch block, right? So here I am writing the try block, and inside I am writing the compile method, right? Pattern compile method, right? pa capital p a double t r n dot compile, right? Here we will pass the our the string, right? pattern. This one is the this one is the right. I'm passing here, right? Okay. And also it will be pattern compile method it will be work. So I want to print the system out dot print ln valid, right? Okay. If it will be exception it will be occur, so I want to the uh, catch block where it will be the exception it will be the catch exception exception e, but I will not print here the exception. What is the which one exception it will be occur? I want to print here the uh, invalid, right? Because the exception why occur, because the given pattern is not is not a uh, correct syntax, right? And here the invalid, right? I'm going to the run the program. Okay. Oh, what happened? Exception in the main thread. Java util no such the exception, so line found, no line found at the Java search next line. It's giving error, right? Whereas I'm doing mistake here. Everything is fine. This one is already predefined. I have written here the, oh, I'm mistaking here the, I want, we need to the our the test cases should be the subtract. You can write here the minus minus, otherwise you can write here the you can write here also uh, test case says minus minus, right? Both one it will be the same, right? I will write, I will both, you will show you. So you can see here the it says compiled, and I'm going to the save the this one here. I will write the minus minus double type. All right, so you can see here the, so it's a very easy problem, friends. I'm going to the submit this problem. Okay, so here the, oh, how much fast is that the submitted. Okay friends, thank you, congrats.